Good morning and happy Wednesday and welcome back to a new vlog. Today is a super exciting day because it's 1st of December and that means I can open the first doors of my advent calendar. And second one, okay, I have to show it to you. I've been working with the wine grower for a year now and we created 2 bottles of my favorite wine, one red and one white. We also are... Okay, sorry, I just got a package. And my boyfriend created the label, more or less. The label is... it's my face, but it's a drawing from my favorite artist, VLOG036, and this is it. And it's so beautiful. And I'm so excited because it's a limited edition and you can buy it the next 2 weeks. That you can still give it as a present before Christmas. This is so exciting and I'm so happy right now. Wait. And they are so beautiful because there is the white wine with the white label and the black one with a black label. Okay, now to the best part of the whole December. Let's open the first door of my advent calendar. I have one from Bruna and this one is so cute. And I have this one from Amorelie and this was on my wish list for so long already. So let's open it. Okay, this is from Bruna. Oh, it's just beautiful. It's so cute. I love it. And now my Amorelie calendar, and here's not. Oh, I have a vibrator. Love it. I love it. I love it. I cleaned out our pantry over here. There was so much stuff that had already expired for years and this was so ugly. I think my boyfriend just took it from his old apartment when we moved into this one and he just put it on the bag and I haven't seen it until today. So I cleaned out everything and I really throw away a lot of things and I hate throwing away things. So now we have a lot of empty glasses over here and I will fill them now with new stuff. So that's it for now. We're having some white sugar, some oats, wheat flour, brown sugar, powdered sugar, nuts, coffee, bulgur. Don't know if it's bulgur in English. Baking cacao. We have shredded almonds, normal almonds, buckwheat flour, and sesame seeds. And there are 2 left and I want to fill them with some lentils and I think with couscous or something like this. Time for a workout and I have so much to do. Do you know this feeling when you have so much to do and you don't know where to start and then you spend so much time on unnecessary things and okay. Now I will do a little 30-minute workout and afterwards I have to build up my photo studio again because then I have to shoot these babies. Annyeong! Hello again! I already shooted all the stuff I had to shoot. I had some calls and now I am in the mood to bake some Christmas cookies. I will bake some vanilla kipferl. I don't know if there is an English word. The recipe is already in another vlog and I will link it over here. You can find the recipe over here. Later I think I will also bake some vegan gingerbread. This is everything we need. This is not that much. Crazy. But hey, let's bake. think they turned out, and I almost forgot them in the oven. So they are a little bit brown. Okay, second one turned out definitely better. I think they turned out really good. I already tried them. Okay, because I already spent so much time in the kitchen today and I still have to answer some mails and cut some videos, I decided to order a poke bowl again. I think I'm really addicted. I eat a bowl like 3 times a week. Does this already count as an addiction? I just had dinner, so now it's time to bake some gingerbread cookies. My battery of the camera died, but I'm done. Super stressful today, but here's a little outfit of the day. Super simple, but really love this look. It's so crazy, time is running like crazy today. I went for a little morning walk, came back, then I made lunch, I did some work, I did some emails, and I also shooted something for a collaboration, and now it's 2:30 again and we have an appointment, a bank appointment at 3 p.m. and I'm so sorry that it's so boring at the moment, but yeah, we're still in lockdown, so surprise. And yeah, a little side info. I'm one of these persons who wear a t-shirt more than one time. I wear them 2 to 3 days in a row because when it's not dirty, I don't have to wash it. Just a little side info, so be a little bit more sustainable. I have to snack one little, okay, they turned out so big. Vanilla Kipferl, they're so big and so yummy. Good morning. It's time to open my advent calendar again. This is always the best part of the day. Got it, and it's this beautiful necklace. And now it's time to bake some gingerbread waffles. You need 3 tablespoons of flour, a half tablespoon of cocoa powder, a half package of baking powder, some gingerbread spice, a little bit of vanilla, 1 package of vanilla sugar. Now mix it. Last but not least, add as much oat milk until the dough looks like this. For the next step, add a little bit of coconut oil to the waffle maker, add the dough and bake it. And the voiceover is so hard, oh my god. Okay guys, this is the first time that I tried gingerbread waffles and I'm curious now. Oh my god, they taste like gingerbread. Okay, you definitely have to try them. And yes, I sit on the floor. Okay, the sun is out, so I decided to take a little break because I have to do an interview later. And yeah, go for a little walk. This is my walking outfit. Back home from a little walk and it was super cold. You can see it on my nose, it's still red. I'm now back home in our office, our closet. And now it's time for the interview. And now it's time for Texas. I hate it. Texas done. And now I will start cutting this video you are currently watching.